Hi guys, Jamie Humphries here again, and welcome to another lesson where today we are taking a look at Rooster by Alice in Chains. So what we're going to do is we're going to kick off by taking a look at the verse progression. I'll play it through for you first of all. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we kick off with 2 downstrokes on that F sharp chord. And then we take our first finger away and we have more downstroke. So that's 3 downstrokes and then a down up. And that's kind of the consistent strum pattern throughout this section. And then we move up to the 5th fret, we play an A. The same strums, take the first finger away and expose those open strings, and including those in this position with that chord results in an A add 9 or an A major add 9 over E.